What's happening, guys? Welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be doing Bitcoin price review, XRP price review of all the day trades we could have taken last week and a breakdown. So the concept of this is to learn and earn, as we always say here on Coin Bureau Trading, and we're going to be going through the breakdown of the key levels, why I've identified those key levels, the trades we could have took, and then learn from them, and then we can implement that in this week. So we do these weekly reviews at the moment because you guys are loving the day trading section, giving you day trade ideas, breakdowns, reason why, and then if they win or lose, we also explain and review them too. So it's going to be a fun video. Hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to check out link in the description below. We've also got an amazing promotion which I want to share with you today. That's an $8 million prize pool, just FYI. Crazy. So yeah, let's get to the video. Let's start off with the one and only a Bitcoin. We're going to go from the 31st, and as we go from the 31st, we can see we had probably around 2 losses and 2 open potential trades. Now, if we go through the 2 losses, these were the trade ideas that we had for Bitcoin. Now, what it was is we can see and identify that this key level here at 28,900 was a support where price has just been bouncing multiple times. Now, we ended up basically just dropping briefly below on the 1st of August with quite a sharp push and then a retest. Now, with that retest, we were saying that, okay, cool, if this is a key level, one of the rules of a key level is simply price will react to it or just continue or some sort of reaction. Now, from this, the price ended up doing a fake out, which is what we call market just taking people out, taking me out for an example, and people who are potentially buying on this area here ended up taking everyone's positions out. And do you know what's really interesting? Not only did it drop all the way down to fake out, it pushed all the way up onto the upside to 30k and then faked out from there and then pulled all the way back down. So these types of market conditions are consolidation, sitting sideways, whatever you want to say, the market is going sideways. These are the ugliest ones to trade, in my opinion. They're ugliest because they're hard to kind of catch and correlate the major trend and also the major movements. Obviously, with the strategy that we mentioned, we did say that you can capitalize on these types of trade setups because you're basically buying every time it has rejected these lower zones, and then we would have actually made around I think it was 14% or 16% on last week's weekly review. So this week probably would have been a major loss, would have been down about minus 1%, minus 2%, and then opened these 2 trades at the moment. So each trade is around 1%. And then as they go on, this one would have been a 5% return, or this one will be a 2% return. So we'll be bringing back a bit more trading. I've just been focusing on my trading, which is why it's been a bit slow on the journal and also the 5k challenge. We will be bringing that back. Just give me some time, because number 1, my daughter's coming into the world anytime soon, and number 2, I'm actually about to clear 1.5 million funded accounts. So pretty exciting for me, and that's why my focus has gone onto that trading. But once that's done, once that's settled, I'll be bringing it back, and trust me, it's going to be a great learn and earn process with us at Coin Bureau Trading. The next 2 trades, what we were looking for is actually the same trade on the left hand side. So we've broken down onto this major support again. I was looking for a continuation. They could be a little bit early, so it could be taken out, so minus 2%, and could be wrong. But if the case is, then I'll just be taken out and just leave these trades for the rest of the week and leave this trade idea. The reason we leave this trade idea is because we failed 3 times, meaning that, you know, minus 3, there's no point keep trying, especially if it's not working. It's best just to let the market make its move and then take it from there. This is why the day trade ideas are such a good idea, to show you and prove to you the concept or what I believe in. So next up, even if we do, we could break under these and look for a lower push, and I believe that 25k is the bet if we break lower for Bitcoin. If not, then I really want to see markets break above 30k again, or 29,700, and just hold above and then look for some longs. So that is the Bitcoin trade ideas and a Bitcoin review. So guys, hope you guys are enjoying the weekly review. We've got a new exclusive promotion that's happening at the moment, which is a $40,000 bonuses, which you already know that happens with Bitget if you didn't already. And there is a $30 airdrop on top of that. So if you first time and you deposit over $100, you get $30 airdropped, free, no qualms. And then last but not least, there is a trading competition. Yes, a trading competition where there is an $8 million prize pool. That's right, an $8 million prize pool. So link in the description, go get on that trading leaderboard if you want to participate. I myself will be creating a team on there. There's going to be more information coming up in the next few days, but me, myself, and my team will be actually trading on this as well. So you'll be able to see us on the leaderboard and us participating on this as well. So let's get back to the video. So next up, we've got XRP. XRP actually did a lot better this time. So this time idea coming from last week, we ended up having a short idea. This one ended up wicking us out, but the overall idea was perfect. When you look at this trade, there's nothing you could do. Now, what we did was we broke lower and we rejected this resistance here at 0.71. So the key level was a rejection. Then I was just looking for a continuation to potentially test down to this key level down here at 0.68. And the stop loss was just above the key level. So the trade makes absolute sense. It follows all the rules and it's absolutely perfect. However, obviously this ended up wicking me out and then going through. So it was actually a great trade idea as an overall. And then I had two trade ideas here, which was number one, was to take profit over here. And if it was to continue, to break above this zone and continue up to 0.74. Now this trade ended up failing. So it would have hit take profit one, would have failed to hit take profit two, continued to break lower, had a crossover of the moving averages, and then same as this first trade, a continuation onto the downside, and then a take profit before the key level. So this trade won, this trade lost, this trade hit TP1, so we'll just call this one break even. And then our third and final trade, our fourth final trade, was we broke above below the support and then just joined for the continuation to retest that low. So this is actually exactly the same setup we are looking for when it comes to Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is exactly the same thing where we were looking for this break below here and then to continue dropping. So XRP, same trade setup, exactly the same trade setup that we are looking for Bitcoin, except for just different instruments. So as an overall, we would have been -1, 0 here. This one would have been 2% and then 4% here. So a total of 3% gain. So 3% gain there and -2% on Bitcoin, and overall 1% on the weekly review from the day trades side of things. So how do you guys find these daily trades and these weekly reviews? Let me know in the comments below. I thoroughly enjoy them. They are a little bit of a different approach and a different strategy to how I actually trade my major accounts, but it's a lot of things to learn for you guys, a lot of things to break these down and share with you from a professional trader's point of view into the markets. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Remember to like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you in tomorrow's video where we'll be doing a key level and an update on the markets as an overall. Peace.